What's poppin', besties? So today's video, I will be making my first cooking video. Okay, so I'm not really that good with cooking actually. So we're doing yam and egg. Not to waste too much of your time. We're doing yam and egg. Let's get the cooking started, okay? This is the yam. I would be cutting it into the pot. Okay? Learn how to cook. It's a good basic survival skill.
Take a picture, post for the gram. Take a picture, show your fans. Take a picture, take a picture, take a picture, listen to ham. Oh my gosh, they got so staring. It's not my fault, I'm enduring. I'll be 20, I'm be bad.
Low-key, this is nice. So now, let me take a video. My goodness, guys, look at what I cut. Look at the pot. Just add it into the pot with water. But like, look at what I cut.
My fact, their fact, all fact, my fact. Take a picture, post for the gram. Take a picture, show your fans. Take a picture, take a picture, take a picture, listen to ham. I did everything to show you that I care, but what do you do? Nothing but step. Then there were friends, it's highly unfair. The money rolled in when stars are red. Even the odds of our mate, I using my videos to pay. The downloads trying that fade, I stream it pretending to hate. I don't know what you gon' gain, don't know who you gon' shame, don't know what cause you pain, don't know who you gon' blame, just know you ain't gon' fame. Yeah, they're Lulu, not even my baby, bitter to cover the pain and it makes you insane. Why would I go that they wouldn't spare rumors? Funny as part, I'm not even that famous. Every new story, despite this with pressures, I thinking it's fun, I should act like a what? It's my life, you don't get a question how I shoot. You don't get an option, you don't get to rule. Oh, you're thinking everyone by the bad attitude. You're just one of them bums thinking you're so groove. Take the picture, take the picture, take the picture, post on the gram. Take the picture, show your fan. Take the picture, listen to ham.
Is when you're done, never just leave your boil it like that. Are you seeing the particles at the top? You would like give your yam a nice massage. You would wash it very well, then change the water. Okay. I know that we're all learning here, but like you have to learn from the experts. You would wash it very, very well, like cleanse it. I think that I'm doing a great job here. Like, the world's best cook. No one else could ever. Like this one, I didn't cut it into two because I got tired and like the yam is not looking cute. And for the egg, we're making fruit egg. I'll be mixing pineapple, pawpaw, mango, like all the sorts inside the egg before frying. Like, oh my god, you guys, imagine blending that and frying into the egg. Like, you guys will taste miracle here today. Okay, so guys, this is yam we are talking about. So it's always better to have more water than to have less. It will burn. If you have less, it will burn. Okay. So I've raised my hand again. Now let me choose which utensil I'll be using today. Okay. Should I use this in my egg? I'm sure some of you know what this is, but in case you don't, this is what I will be using today. Also, yes, let me put it on fire. Okay. Yes, it's on fire. You just can't see it, but like look at it. It's on fire though. So wait. Toss this aside. Okay, yes. The salt. Do not blame me for not throwing the spaghetti lime away, like guys. You guys should not judge me. So for the salt, do not question a professional how they do their salt. Okay? You do not question a professional how they do their salts. Like, I know what I'm doing, okay? I put excess water, so it's the water that the salt needs to get to, not the food. Please, when you're cooking, the salt needs to get to the water, not the food. Because it's like I'm speaking German right now. Right, you guys. Anyways, I'll show you my baby at the end of the video. For now, I can't play with her. I've already washed my hand over and over again because you don't, after touching your pets, wash your hand, even though you beat them. And don't beat them way too much. Sometimes twice a month, once a month is okay. Okay? Oh yeah, the cover of the pots. So you guys, I hope I'm not wasting too much time in this video. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible. Sorry, the handle stuff has removed, I think. So now for the egg. tripod stand is obviously not here. I'm trying to figure out how I'll do my camera while doing the egg, so you can see everything unfiltered. Let's see. Yes, I'm showing everything to the back of it. So this is the egg. I took 2 eggs. Now watch a professional cook. Now check. I don't know what you guys use. See, I don't know what you use, but it's a fork. You should use a fork, okay? I dropped the first egg. Where should I drop the first egg? Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm a professional. I can handle it too. Let me take this one first. If it should drop. Okay. You eat it. Have you seen it? You strike it very hard. See? Ooh, like I'm that cook, I'm that chef, bitch. Keep it aside. Cut the second one. The second one I did nonsense. Oh my gosh, guys. You see, I managed to do it. No shell fell inside. Like, I'm that bitch. Oh my goodness. Goodness. You can spread the shell out. The shell is useful, but you always straight away. Okay? Disposing properly is a good attribute of a chef. You dispose properly. If you don't dispose properly, what kind of chef are you? Huh? What kind of chef doesn't dispose properly? So yes, queens and kings, we are almost done. Now let me show you the aftermath. So this is the egg. Normally I would just mix everything together. I don't think I'm adding anything. I'm not adding salt or anything. Let me tell you why. Because I already have the sauce. Always use a fake, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we adding anything? No. Why? Because it's none of your big snacks. Gosh, I'm not judged. I added small oil because the oil shouldn't be too much. Like, it's majorly the egg we're here for. Like, this is going to be peppery like crazy. You seeing it? See the masterpiece. Yes. Anyways, I think I put some. I should have not added extra oil. I knew it. Hey, chai, guys, do not judge. You know what? I'll do like an aftermath when it's ready. Now that I'm done, ignore the burnt parts. But the egg shouldn't look like this. It shouldn't. I should have done 3. I thought 2 eggs would really be like plenty. Like, and then I put too much oil, but like it sufficed. But like, do not judge. It tastes better than it looks. It really does taste better than it looks. Like, judge. That's a cup of tea. Okay. That's your cup of tea. But it's actually sweet. This is what the yam looks like when it's nearing readiness. Are you seeing how cute? Oh my gosh. Bitches could never. I just hope it's ready. Since I can't fully tell if it's ready or not, because like obviously I don't know if you could tell, but like I'm not that great of a cook. But I'm trying my best, okay? And it sounded like it's alright, like it's ready to go. But I can't say for sure. Let me hold on a little bit more. Or let me take one to check. No, I just took small to check. And it is ready, guys. Woo! Like, hail the mighty chef. Finished. This is the finished product, y'all. Woo! Thank you for watching my video. Now I'll be eating this twice today. Me and my baby. Okay, guys. I have my ham. And I have my egg. Mm, mm, mm. I'll get better one. Mm. For now, bye bye. Like, what are you still waiting for? I said bye bye.